Today, we're diving deep into the latest leaks, rumors, and detailed speculation about DJI's upcoming compact drone, the much-anticipated DJI NEO 2. The drone community is buzzing with excitement, and if you're passionate about drone photography, aerial videography, or just love to stay updated with the latest in drone tech, you're in the right place. The excitement surrounding the DJI NEO 2 first ignited when renowned drone insider Jasper Ellens, also known in the industry as X27, subtly dropped a teaser on social media. Jasper has become a highly trusted source for drone enthusiasts, consistently providing accurate leaks about DJI's next moves. His latest post showcased images of the DJI Flip drone, but what truly grabbed everyone's attention was a short yet impactful message: NEO 2 is coming late 2025. That brief announcement immediately set the drone community on fire. Given Jasper's track record, he's accurately predicted the releases of DJI Air 3S, the original DJI NEO, and the DJI Goggles N3. His words carry a lot of weight. Fans and tech experts alike are now eagerly watching DJI's every step. As of now, DJI's Mavic 4 Pro is dominating headlines with its advanced camera system and professional-grade features, but behind the scenes, the DJI NEO 2 is quickly becoming the most talked-about upcoming release. Many are debating whether to purchase the current DJI NEO or hold off for the NEO 2, expected to launch towards the end of 2025. The DJI Flip is receiving plenty of praise for its unique folding design and impressive performance, but the possibility of a more refined and feature-packed NEO 2 is generating serious excitement. To truly understand why the DJI NEO 2 has sparked such interest, let's revisit what made the original DJI NEO such a game-changer. DJI NEO, the compact drone that set the stage. The original DJI NEO was crafted for casual drone pilots, travel vloggers, and content creators who value portability without sacrificing performance. Weighing just 4.8 ounces, the NEO became a favorite among those looking for lightweight drones that could easily fit into a backpack or even a large pocket. This is a drone made for travelers, on-the-go creators, and anyone who wants to capture stunning aerial shots without dealing with bulky equipment. Despite its ultra-compact size, the DJI NEO packed a punch with an impressive half-inch camera sensor mounted on a one-axis gimbal, capable of capturing 4K video at 30 frames per second. It was accessible via the user-friendly DJI Fly app and even supported voice commands, offering a hands-free control experience. These features made it a hit for vloggers, influencers, and beginner drone enthusiasts alike, but what truly set the DJI NEO apart was its AI-powered smart tracking technology. It could automatically lock onto a subject and follow them with precision, a feature usually reserved for more expensive drones. With Direction Track, the drone would intelligently follow from behind, always keeping the subject in the center of the frame, essentially acting as your personal flying cameraman. Each of these quick-shot modes allowed users to capture professional-looking shots with a simple tap, perfect for beginners aiming to achieve cinematic results without mastering manual flying techniques. Another innovation was its in-app audio recording system. The drone cleverly utilized your smartphone's microphone to capture voiceovers while flying, automatically filtering out the background noise from its propellers. This was a game-changer for vloggers, enabling synchronized narration with crystal clear audio directly from the phone. In terms of safety and ease of use, the DJI NEO was also a winner. It could be flown using just a smartphone with a 164-foot control range, but DJI offered additional accessories like RC N3 Remote Controller, RC Motion 3 Controller, FPV Remote Controller 3. The drone was equipped with propeller guards, which made it safer for beginners, and it was stable even in level 4 wind conditions, a significant advantage for outdoor filming. For photography lovers, the NEO supported 12-megapixel still images and offered 22 gigabytes of internal storage, which could hold roughly 40 minutes of 4K footage. With a flight time of about 18 minutes per battery charge and USB-C fast charging support, it was a solid offering for those prioritizing compactness and efficiency. DJI NEO 2, what can we expect? Now, let's talk about what we might see in the DJI NEO 2. While DJI hasn't officially confirmed the specs yet, based on industry trends and leaks, we can make educated predictions, potential upgrades and new features. One of the biggest limitations of the original NEO was its lack of advanced obstacle detection sensors. If DJI adds multi-directional obstacle sensors, similar to those found on their higher-end drones, the NEO 2 could become significantly safer and more beginner-friendly, especially for flying in complex environments. Extended flight time increasing. The flight time beyond 18 minutes would be a major win. Drone users, particularly those shooting longer cinematic sequences or FPV-style shots, would benefit greatly from extended airtime. Upgraded camera sensor. We might see a larger sensor or a more advanced gimbal system to improve footage quality. And low-light performance, enhanced smart tracking. DJI is always improving its AI-driven tracking. The Neo 2 could introduce more dynamic subject tracking, faster response times, and smarter predictive movement patterns to keep subjects perfectly framed in challenging shooting conditions. Longer range and stronger signal stability. An upgraded transmission system would allow for more reliable, long-distance flights, a must-have for aerial photographers and explorers. Higher internal storage or microSD support. The addition of microSD card support or increased internal memory would address the storage limitations of the current model. Voice control enhancements. Voice command features could become more responsive and capable of handling more complex commands. Adding hands-free versatility. Price point and launch strategy. DJI typically prices new drone models higher upon release, so if the Neo 2 only offers incremental upgrades, the cost might not justify the wait for everyone. However, for those seeking the latest drone innovation, it may be worth it. Should you buy the DJI NEO now or wait? If you're a traveler, vlogger, or hobbyist who wants to start capturing stunning drone footage right away, the current DJI NEO is already an excellent choice. It's lightweight, portable, filled with smart features, and delivers reliable video quality. Plus, as the Neo 2's release approaches, we can expect price drops or special deals on the original model, making it even more budget-friendly. However, if you're someone who always wants the latest technology, improved safety features, and potentially a longer flight time, waiting for the DJI NEO 2 might be the smarter move. DJI has a consistent pattern of refining their compact drones, and the Neo 2 could bring meaningful updates that elevate the flying experience. That said, the timeline is still speculative. Although the leak points to a late 2025 release, DJI could shift their schedule. If you hold off now, you might end up waiting longer than expected. Final thoughts. The exciting future of DJI compact drones. As the drone landscape rapidly evolves, DJI continues to lead the way in compact drone innovation, smart tracking technology, and accessible aerial videography solutions. Whether you choose to go with the current DJI NEO or decide to wait for the Neo 2, there's no denying that these are exciting times for drone enthusiasts around the world. The DJI Flip, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, and now the upcoming DJI NEO 2, all showcase DJI's commitment to pushing boundaries and making drone technology more powerful, portable, and user-friendly. Until DJI officially unveils the Neo 2 with confirmed specs, all we can do is analyze the leaks, make educated guesses, and weigh our personal priorities. Whether you're in the market for your first drone, looking to upgrade, or just following the latest drone news, this story is one to watch closely. See you in the next one.